Hello, this is Keith All, and I'm here with another tutorial in Photoshop. Today's topic is how we could create a border around your canvas. Now, I'm going to do multiple videos on this, so this will be part one in a series. So look for those future videos on how you could add borders to your canvas. Again, the effect will be the same at the end, basically. It's just a each way is going to be done a little bit differently on how you could create borders. So basically what you want to do is add a new layer above either your background color or your background image, whatever it may be. It doesn't matter if you have an image here or not. It could be a single layer with a solid color or a gradient or whatever it may be. So anyways, after you add a new layer, let's go up here to the rectangle marquee tool, and we're just going to make a selection around here and make the selection whatever width that you want. Now make sure your foreground color is set to white, and then what you want to do is you want to fill that selection with this color. So I'm on a PC, so I'm using the Alt key, Alt Delete. On a Mac, it would be the Option key. So there we have it. Now press Control D to deselect it. Now what we want to do is I want to press Control J to duplicate the layer. Use the Move tool, and I'm going to move this selection to this side. Okay, I got that. I want to press Control J again, and then use the Free Transform tool. I'm using the shortcut key combination of Control T, and then I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Now I'm going to bring this up here. Press Enter to apply that change. Let's press Control J again to duplicate the layer. I'm still using the Move tool. I'm going to move that over here so it fills that up. Now what I want to do is I want to merge the top two layers together because there's like two borders up here. So I'm going to come over here in the Layers panel, use the Shift key to select both of them, Control E to merge the two layers. Now it's one layer. Now what I want to do is I want to press Control J to duplicate that. Use the Move tool, drag this down to the bottom. And there you have a border. Now let's make this all one layer, all these borders. So I'm going to select the top layer, and then shift click on the bottom layer to select all of them. Control E to merge that. Now it's all one layer. So basically now what I want to do is I want to use the blend mode of overlay. And there, now you have this nice border around your image or your background color, whatever it may be. Now let's add a drop shadow to this border. So double click on that layer. Let's come down here. Let's add a drop shadow. And I'm going to use the settings of black. Oh, we could change the opacity, decrease it. I'll try 75%. And then the angle, 120. And let's go over here. Let's see. This distance will be set at 0. The spread will be, let's try 25, and then the size will be set at 50. There you go. Click OK. And this is, again, this is one way that you can add a border around your canvas in Photoshop. Look for my future tutorials on how you could create a border around your canvas. And again, the effects will probably, the end result will be the same, but how you get to that point, I'll use a different method. So look for those future videos. I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And click on that bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also, please like, share, and comment. Again, thank you for supporting my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.